Okay, so 8-2, volume of prisms. So the biggest thing you need to remember with volume is that you're talking now about 3D figures, meaning you have 3 dimensions that you have to deal with. So the total space inside of a 3D figure is the volume of an object. Volume is measured in cubic units. So think of anything that is shaped like a box. Okay, a box, a cube, a dice, anything like that. Okay, to find the volume of a rectangular prism, we have to see how many cubic units fit inside the shape. So, for example, in this one, if you took this square, say this was a dice, okay, it's a nice square cube. So, and you split it into 3 equal rows, 3 equal columns, you would be able to put 9 of these little boxes in that shape, right? So, oh, excuse me, you'd actually be able, yeah. So you'd have 3 rows of 3 times 3, so you'd actually have 27 cubic in that, because you would have 3 across times 3 wide times 3 deep. So you'd have 27 of those little boxes. You'd have 9 in each layer. Okay? So the formula for volume is the length times the width times the height. So really you're just taking what you had for a square, right? And then adding that third dimension onto it, which is that depth right there. Sometimes you might also see depth as one of those. Okay? And volume's easy. You're just going to multiply those together. So here you've got, in our first example, you have a length of 4, a width of 3, and a height of 5. And you're just going to go 4 times 3 times 5. And 4 times 3 is 12. Times 5 is going to give us 60 centimeters cubed. Okay? All right, so now for these, let's just count up, see what we have. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 across. Times 1, 2, 3 deep. Times 1, 2, 3 high. So we've got 6 times 3 times 3. Well, that gives us 6 times 9, which is going to equal 54, and we're just going to call that units because we're not sure what it is, cubed. Okay. Next one, we have a length of 5, a width of 4, and a height of 10. So that's going to give us 20 times 10, which is 200 centimeters cubed. Okay, next one, point a little bit bigger. So we've got 2 times 5 times 2. It's going to equal our volume. 2 times 5 is 10, times 2 is going to be 20 cubic centimeters. And the last one, 4 times 6 times 5. Well, 4 times 5 is 20, times 6, which is going to be 120 cubic centimeters. And that's it for your notes. Short, sweet, to the point.